Want to leave threads permanently? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily leave thread. First thing first, head over to your application thread. Make sure you are logged into your account that you want to leave or delete. Move into your profile at the bottom right corner. Click on this two line at the top right. Head over to Account Center. Move into Manage Accounts. Click on your specific account and tap on Manage. Simply choose Deactivation or Deletion. Choose Delete Account and tap on Continue. Once again, tap on Continue. Choose the specific reason and click on Continue. Click on No, Continue with Deletion. Once again, tap on Continue at the bottom. You will need to create one password for your account. Once the password has been created, your account will be deactivated for 30 days. And before 30 days, if you try to log in into your account, then it will be activated. But if the 30 days exceed, then your account will be deleted permanently and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.